Bonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, the fight that I feel bad by saying the fight we've been awaiting, but the fight that we know was going to happen where Uvuyokazi and Utirelo lays hands on each other. It looks like from the way I looked at the trailer, you guys, it looks like Uvuyokazi was the first one to lay hands on Utirelo. Pelutirelo, one thing about it, you know what they say, the ones who talk a lot, guys, are the ones who normally are makwala and they don't know how to talk. It's the ones who are quiet who really know how to fight. So it looks like Uvuyokazi is the one who lost the temper. But yeah, it also looked like Uvuyokazi was crying. So we'll get to see that on Sunday, you guys, in the actual full episode plays out. But there's something that Utirelo says that I feel like it's kind of big and strong accusations, and I don't feel like people just say those words like out of nowhere. She says to Uvuyokazi when they're fighting, when people are trying to separate them, she's like, we are lawyer, Satanandin. And I'm just like, do you understand when you call a person utuya lawyer? Like, usually when people say that or when people back to loko, and mind you guys, when people are angry, people are not saying things ezingeko. People are saying things that are really in their heart that they did not have the guts of saying in front of you when they were not angry. So I'm starting to think that maybe Utirelo has something behind her mind that makes her think Ubuti lawyer or there's something like that. Like I just feel like it's so far-fetched for a person up to being Ubutu lawyer out of all things. Like normally if girls are fighting, you guys, and it's normally with men and stuff like that. Maybe they will call one another a B or that you damn and stuff like that. But when you take it to another level and say we are lawyer, then that means Uguti, there's something that has made you suspect Uguti, this person is busy with other things or busy ngemiti or something like that. So now I'm just like, ay botirelo indabengaga. And I really do hope I don't foresee her apologizing. I just feel like saying ukuthi umuntu lawyer is big accusations. But then again, guys, remember ukuthi umuntu akaloyi ngemithi kuphela, umuntu uloya nangenhliziyo. So sometimes when you're saying a person has a bad heart, or when you want to say ukuthi a person like banenhliziyo that's that bad, you can also say ukuthi lawyer because people bangakubamba ngenhliziyo, like they can hold a grudge against you, and that can be part of lawyer. If you don't understand what lawyer means, it means to bewitch someone. So Utirelo was basically saying that you are a witch. Basically saying to Uvuyokazi that you are a witch. But tell me, you guys, do you think maybe it was just something that Utirelo was saying at the heat of the moment? There's nothing deep about it? Or are you of the same mindset as me that you don't just go around? Like, if I would have to fight with someone, I won't just like if I would have to fight with someone, I swear them according to what I think them to be. So I wouldn't just find words out of nowhere and swear them according to titles that my heart or my mind does not believe them to be. That is just my thoughts. Or maybe am I just like digging deep into something that's not really there? You tell me, guys. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.